One of the biggest reasons I didn't start sooner was because I thought I needed hours of free time to build a business. As a single mom working 9 to 5, taking care of my family, and trying to keep up with everyday life, I barely had extra time to think, let alone build something online. But I realized something important. I didn't need more time, I needed a simpler plan. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I've been finding 30 minutes a day to work on my business consistently, even during busy days and exhausting weeks. But before we jump over to the next slide, jot down in the comments section, what's your 30-minute strategy while working on your business? It doesn't even have to be 30 minutes. What is your strategy when you're trying to get yourself ready and you're working on your business? Jot it in the comment section below. So one of the most common phrases, "I don't have time," is the number one reason moms give up. It's a valid reason, but it's not a death sentence. It's a strategy problem. Listen, I get it. I have a regular 9 to 5 job. I'm also a caregiver. I take care of my mom, and I'm a mother. I am a single mother. It can be exhausting. Doing something like starting a business or running a business can be mentally taxing. So I used to think people building online businesses just had more time than I did. Find the time, I have to create it. And here's how I do it. I don't find the perfect conditions because there isn't any. What I do is I just take huge blocks of time, get myself in the right mindset, motivate myself, because I know that this is something that I'm doing. I'm building something for my future, for my family. And I just focus on staying consistent, because consistency over time pays out in the long run. So technique number 1, the 5-minute morning win. While your coffee's brewing, don't scroll. Open your notes app. For me, I use Notion. And write down one video idea or one email subject line. That's a win before the day even starts. It's small, it's simple, but that's something. So for example, when I wake up in the morning, one of the first things I do, I check my email. I review my email, and then I sign into my content buffer. I look through Buffer to see what's getting ready to be posted for today. If there's any tweaks I need to make. After I do that, I then jump into replying to any comments. If there's comments that were left. And I did mention checking email. That's definitely one of the first things that I do. And it's done. That's it. Write down content idea, look through your email, look through threads, reply to comments, and that's it. Technique number 2, the commute classroom. I listen to business podcasts or YouTube videos while I'm driving, washing dishes, running errands, you name it. My commute is now my business school. So the big lesson here is you don't need to build your whole business in one day. You just need to take small, consistent actions that compound over time. This should be the takeaway. Number 3, power pockets. The 15 minutes waiting for school pickup, that's not wasted time. That's when I apply to comments, I draft a post on my phone, I read through beginner. Those 15 minutes it doesn't necessarily have to be just that during that time while picking up your kids or dropping them off, whichever. It's usually a line either way. You can do 10 minutes before work. You can put in some time checking email, doing 15 minutes during your lunch, and spend about 20 to 30 minutes after you put kids to sleep, which is currently what I'm doing right now. But you might be able to hear some of my kiddos in the background, but I tend to do this. I start working on content creation after my kiddos are in the bed. I even do some recording. I record voiceovers while I'm in the car, in the parking lot, probably eating a Boston cream donut because they're the best. And of course, using my notes app, Notion. Love Notion. If I haven't mentioned that already. So I just want to leave you all with this. So if you're waiting for more time to start, this is your reminder that you can begin with what you have. If your schedule feels impossible and you need some guidance, grab my affiliate starter kit. From there, you'll build a plan that works with the time you actually have. The link is at the top of the description below. All right. Thanks for stopping by. I will see you in the next video.